In this video, I will show you how to play Duolingo Chess. So to get started, go ahead and open Duolingo on your device, and then at the bottom left, you'll find this chess button. So click on that, and then this will pop on your screen. So click on that Start Learning button to start learning Duolingo Chess. And then go ahead and proceed with this. So in here, you need to answer how much you know about chess, and then after that, you need to go ahead and select where you want to start learning chess from. Now after that, you'll be able to proceed with learning how you can play chess on Duolingo. So this is the interface of that. So the Duolingo characters will teach you the basic steps for each of the chess piece first, and then proceed with the harder parts later on. So that's basically how you can play Duolingo Chess. Take note that this feature is only available on iOS devices, and Duolingo is still developing this out on Android devices.